Hi, my name is Devin Rodriguez, and we're going to be going over the rights and wrongs of a professional PowerPoint to give. As you can see, the first slide is kind of just everywhere. Not the best background for a professional PowerPoint. Okay, as you can see, the transition is just a little bit much going on. As you can see, there's not really a background or anything with this slide. There is a lot of yellow and it kind of blends in with the back and you can't really see anything. It's just not very good to put into professionals. A professional PowerPoint. Okay, let me go to the next one. As you can see, we have another bad transition to go ahead and do. For the title of this slide, it is just a little bit too much going on and it is yellow still, so we can't really see what's going on. Um, can't really tell what it's saying just because of the font. I did put some pictures in here. These are not good pictures at all. I would recommend not even using pictures. These are just like a bunch of pictures and it's just cluttering the whole entire thing. Okay, let me go to the next one. So these are going to be the right ones, or professional way to give your presentation. So this is going to be the title page that I decided to do. It's simple. It has a little weight so we know what we're talking about. As you can see, I'm using a simple transition. This is just going to be a little bit of information that I am going to be able to use. As you can see for the next one, I am using the same transition just so it's nothing that's surprising. And yeah, that should be it. Thank you.